another video. This is my hair fully out. Yes, I have locks. Yes, they are real. I had them in for 13 years, and we're about to cover these locks with a nice wig. People be thinking that just because you got locks, you can't wear a wig. Girl, bye. You could most definitely wear a wig, and if you need some inspo, look at my page for that pixie cut I did. Because you can definitely do a pixie cut with hair as long as mine. My hair's not that thick, but it's most definitely long. So I'm gonna show you that braid down hairstyle that I saw on TikTok. It was this girl, I forgot her name, but I might add it in here if I remember, or put it in the description. And she basically said, like 2 braids at the side, and the rest of the hair is basically twisted. I realized that the twists are softer than the braids. With the braids, everything is hard, and so it looks like real big in the back, like that picture that I showed last time. But with the twist, it's softer, and it's like, you can like push it down easier. So basically, y'all, this is done. So all you gotta do is take a rubber band, tie it around the end. So y'all, this braid is done. Like I said, wrap the end. If I remember, I will link the girl's video in, because that girl helped me get my pixie cut, and that pixie cut was so cute. Yeah, I'm sorry, my energy's out. Flow came in, like my energy's low-key drained, and I gotta go somewhere, so I'm pretty excited, but I'm also drained. I gotta do my own hair. Everybody be scared to do locks. It's just like everybody else's hair. That's why, girls, you gotta do your own hair. You don't gotta worry about booking an appointment. That's why you watch this video and learn how to do your own hair. If y'all want a more in-depth video where y'all can see me do my entire head, just comment and let me know. Like I said, people like me and Rihanna just got big foreheads. Don't mean that we don't got no hair. Like, we got hair. So I'm back, y'all. We got the 2 braids on the side, and the rest of the hair is twists. She said to like tie it down and then tie this down and then wrap it around. Me, I'm gonna do it my way because I don't feel like doing all that. I got the wet lace wig. She's looking cute. She's looking good. Look how much parting space we got, y'all. So this is better. This is better than that 1 inch that they gave us with the pixie. The pixie was cute or whatever, but like 1 inch parting space, girl. Yeah, I'm gonna try to pluck because I'm not that good at plucking, but I'm gonna try to pluck. Pixie needed to pluck, and I didn't know how to do it, so I didn't do it. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try because I'm not gonna be looking raggedy. I'm not. So yeah, like I said, there's parting space for days. Not that much days. 6 days, but it's just like cute parting space. I got the color 1B. You know, I saw one girl review on it, and she was like, she really popped the lace, and she didn't even got locks like me, and it didn't seem like she had a big head either. So this lace better not pop on me. It better not pop. I might have done messed up. I might have messed up because this is one of them wigs where it is not big head friendly at all, or lock friendly at all. Most wigs aren't really lock friendly, but not only do I have a lot of hair, but I got a big head too. I can see exactly why this lace popped. It feels like it's about to pop. She said take the last 2, put it up. I'm gonna just take these braids right here from the side. We gonna twist it up like this, and then the other bottoms. It's hard to explain. If y'all want me to go in depth, then y'all gonna have to comment that. And that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna leave it at that. Okay, these braids gotta go back too, because I don't know why y'all sticking up. Like, I don't know who told y'all to do that, because it was not me. You need to stay in line. But I want these things to go down a little. Anyway. Y'all, my sister just gave me the spiciest ramen ever. I'm okay. I know, but that was too spicy. That was too spicy. This wig is tight. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of squeezing my head, like my thoughts. Like, my head don't look too big in the back. Okay. I'm probably gonna make my sister do the edges. I don't trust myself with the edges. This is not it. This is giving emo. This is giving not it. I'm gonna find that middle part again. Did I lose the middle part? Yo, y'all, this hair. Find that middle part again. I'm about to just take this wig off and put it to the side. I don't like that though. That just look weird. Giving like a straight type thing, like this is the hair in the back probably looks cute, whatever. I'll brush it, whatever. Why did I do that, y'all? That's so stupid of me. Y'all don't do that, y'all. Don't do what I did ever. Don't ever do what I did. Because what I did just caused this. Y'all, I don't got no mannequin head and my siblings are not gonna do this mannequin thing for me. So I'm just gonna use my knee. Use what you got, to be honest. Use what you got, because what you got is what you got at the end of the day. I'm glad that I used to do gymnastics, so this isn't that difficult for me. I just made it into like a sort of side part. I gelled and everything. I tried to pluck, y'all. It's so hard for me to pluck. I really did try, but I think it kind of looks cute what I did. I'm just playing a will. I'm trying, bruh. I figured out why this wig was giving auntie. It's because this part is just laying down like this, and they be having they bobs. They bobs be looking like that. I'm trying not to do too much, but it's just like, why you not staying down? You're making me look crazy out here. I'm about to plug this out of frame because I don't even have my glasses on. That's probably why this is so hard to do, because I can never see when I do it. Y'all, so I did a little something with it. It looks cool. I wish y'all could see it from how I see it. I'm gonna turn the camera because it looks weird from this angle. I'll do this angle where it looks cute. I'll let this thing sit for like at least 30 minutes. It should be good. All right, let's cut this lace. What will you do? You just step back. Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Y'all, my sister gonna redo this and it's gonna end up looking good, because right now it's not giving and I'm getting irritated and I want to go to sleep. I gotta clean this stuff up and go to bed. So good night, y'all. See y'all in the morning for my vlog. This is gonna be part of the video. I'm gonna just make a part 2 another time. Hey y'all, so like we're on the flight. Guess where we're going? She'll give you 3 things. Hot, beach, black, green, and gold. What am I looking at?
Why did you tell them that I was gonna be giving them 3 things?
Oh yeah, she gonna give 3 things too.
Amazing beaches, coconuts, and mangoes.
I'm finally taking off the scarf.
Dale, yo te llamo. Beso.
I know that felt good.
It did. Y'all know I had this thing on my head for...
for hours. What? Sex like right now.
I told you I didn't cut the thing. It's in the back. I don't care. Nobody can tell.
Everybody can tell.
Why is she being a bully right now?
The way it's like 10 shades lighter.